Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing the line of sight flight for this 6S quad, and I apologize for the delay. It's been very windy the past week or so, and I haven't had any time to get this out. I've tried to film this a few times now, but it's always been stopped by various weather reasons. So let me real quick go over the quad setup. We have the Mode 2 Ghost Special Edition frame. We have, for the motors, the Hyperlite. These are the 2207 1722 kV HV Edition motors. We have the GemFan 5055 Hulky props on there. Up front we have a Foxier Micro Predator. For the 4-in-1 ESC, it's an Acon AK32, 32-bit, 35-amp 4-in-1 ESC. We have a FreeSky X4R SB receiver, Hyperlite F4 OSD flight controller, TBS HV Unify race, and a Lumineer UFL antenna left-hand circular pies on the bottom. And for the battery, I'm using a 6S Pulse 1250 75C battery here. I have tried the 1050s, but the 1250 has been giving me better results. So let's just plug this in. And for everyone that was complaining on my build video about the LEDs smoking, I've been running these LEDs for almost 2 weeks now on 6S, and they are rated for 4S. They are not rated for 6S, and they have not burned out. So yeah, take that, haters. So let's just start up here. Get past the dying snowman as it gets a little bit warmer out here. And this is on stock Betaflight 3.3 with the notch filters off and the dynamic filter on. It does need some tuning, a little bit with the filters as well. Just flying around a little bit. Let's do a full speed pass first. We have full battery. You can see very quick. Very quick. No oscillations up top. Hard to say if it's any faster than 4S. That's not really the point of going to 6S. It's more for torque and runtime gains. So let's just do some throttle punches here. You can't do too many because it just goes so high real quick. Hopefully you can tell the 6S, the increased torque for the increased voltage is it's definitely there. It just spins up these props so easily. It's just so responsive. Hopefully you can probably hear it in the motor sound. It just gets up to speed so fast. Let's do a punch away from us here. After we hover up close. LEDs looking real nice. Tiny tie LEDs, there will be a link below. Yeah, this guy just really rips.
8, 7, 6, 4, 2,
Alright, that's probably bringing us pretty close to the end of the battery here. Man, this guy is just a lot of fun to fly. Alright, bring it back in. So there we go. That was just about, let me check on my radio. That was 3 minutes and 5 seconds of pretty hard flying, and the battery is just barely warm, and the motors are just barely warm. It's about 35 degrees out right now. So let me unplug this guy. So yeah, that was the line of sight for this 6S build. Definitely needs more testing on it in terms of PID and filter tuning. Once again, this is just stock Betaflight 3.3 on here. So I'm getting a little bit of oscillation and resonance in there, but overall the actual setup of the motors, battery, flight controller, and ESC I'm very happy with. There's no additional caps on here, no extra caps. This is not race flight. And I've had zero desync issues or just video. I think there's a little bit of video noise in the camera, in the Micro Predator, but I'm not sure. That could just be the way the Predator looks. I have to test it out more. I've only flown it FPV a couple times on one day so far. But yeah, definitely more testing to come, and I will be doing a specific update video with a review of 6S, including this Pulse battery down here below. Once again, this is the Pulse 6S 1250 milliamp hour 75C version. So there'll be more videos on this coming soon. But that's going to bring us to the end of this video. There'll be links down below to all the parts as well as the build video I did for this. If you're interested, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.